Mabuhay everybody! My name is Cindy. Welcome to our channel. I
So
married a
guys, good
foreigner.
evening. So we made it. We made it today, and then we went to uh, pick up something. And this is the parcel. This is the one I ordered, and this is the one that I ordered. It arrived today. This is a cover for poster. Okay, poster of Daddy. And this arrived yesterday, guys. I don't know if I've video it, but this is it. And it's got weight, not very heavy, but it's heavy, which is nice. And then I tried to order another one, but it's out of stock. So what I did, I ordered the whole set, which is it's got everything. It's got 12 pieces. Anyway, that was the the dilemma, because the one that I like is already sold. So I will keep this. This is our thing. So I will gonna show you. Are you ready? This is the thing that we are all been waiting for here, for uh New Year's. Ready, guys? Ta-da! Ayan. So the chairs are here. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 is 8. So we get 8 chairs, which is our table is tall. So we got it made. It's a bit heavy. It's mahogany, and it's so much better to sit. See, my height is better to eat like that. It's better because before we are too low. Our chairs are too low. So yeah. Okay. So that's what we picked up today. Actually, I can get some video or pictures in the CCTV when this arrived, because we were so busy, guys, and we didn't have time to film anything. You know, it's hard if you have nobody to film you. So this is it. We are so happy that it's here, and it's been a while that I've been waiting to decide to made have it made here, and sitting on the chair, and I got a sore back and everything. So I thought it's time. And of course, me and Daddy will sit here nicely. But we still have our party chairs here on the side, on this little area, right? So people can still sit there. And we just put the curtain that way, and we can open up. We can open up. And this arrived, our kitchen thing. This arrived as well the other day. This is our runner. Yeah. So I am going to cook Daddy's food. He asked for a couple of hot dogs. I cook that one, and I'll also have something to eat for myself, guys. My throat is not very good. I have to take Panadol for my throat because last night it was so sore. So I don't know what happened. But anyway, my throat was sore. So yeah, I need to put this wrapper here. Right now. And I need to use it, guys. Desperately need to use it. And sis Delpa went home. Okay, so I got this actually. Look. And I ordered that one. So I'll probably cook this tomorrow. I'll pop it in the container. I didn't see there is a hot dog. He wanted me to cook because he thought there is none. But anyway, this is the container box. Right, this is it. This is the brand, Kaiza Villa. That one. It's really good. It's a very good pot. I haven't used it, but just the weight of it, you can tell it's heavy, it's thick. So that's all we need for if we are moving around in the kitchen or cooking, you know. And I like the color. This color is so good. very fancy actually. So you feel like when you're cooking, you feel like inspired to cook. That's why I like the kitchen nice and tidy and clean because it makes me inspired to do something. But when I'm cooking, I'm like thinking of everything else to do. So I get sidetracked. Anyway, I try to focus on my job if I'm in the kitchen. So yeah, like this. Oh, we have food and I left it. So I'm just gonna reheat it and then voila, he's got food. All right. So let's do. So guys, nagpapa-arrange tayo ng area na to. Look, mga rubbish ko guys. Tinanggal at ilalagay siya doon sa taas. CCTV natin. Aras guys, may ubo ako guys. Okay, we go here. Where is the Carabao today? Wala sila guys, no Carabao today. Nagpapalagay kami ng CCTV. CCTV, yun nalagay ito. Nagawa ni Bubu. Kina-cover namin sa mga butas-butas. So, ayan. Yeah, I love you. And every night. So guys, good evening. So we are here now in our kitchen and it is 6:30 because we were running late today. So I'm cooking food for daddy. So the light is very bright. The light is very bright. Okay, that's better. The light is not so bright. It's really bright. So we have now our monitor over there for the whole house for our CCTV. It was going there but it wasn't meant to be. This is the best spot here guys. So yeah. Okay. Thank you guys for watching our channel. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And we shall see you in our next vlog. Bye!
Thank you for watching. Bye bye now.